Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to the Kafka series. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up the Kafka in your local machine. Let's get started. So, uh, just to set up the Kafka in your local machine, just open any browser and just type Apache Kafka download. Okay, and then just click on this download Apache Kafka. So here in the binary downloads, just download these binary files. So I downloaded. So now let's extract this file and then rename this to Kafka. So inside this Kafka, you have a bin folder, config, library, and this license and everything, right? So if you'll go into the bin folder, you can see some shell script inside this bin, and there is a Windows folder. So inside Windows folder, you can see the batch file. Okay, so if you are using the Windows machine, then you will use the Windows batch files just to run your Kafka server, Kafka Zookeeper, or anything. Okay, and if you are using the Mac, then you can use these shell scripts. Okay, so now just to set up this, you just need some basics thing in your local. So let's say just add the folder logs. Okay, and then there is one more folder you have to create, a zookeeper. Now, just go to the config and open the server and zookeeper. Okay, and modify these two files. Server. So here inside a server, you have a log directory, right? Here a log directory. So just give your log file which you have created right now. So just go to this and copy and save this file. Okay. Now open the zookeeper properties file, and here the directory which we have created, right? So let's give this same. Okay, and save the file. Now you need to download the Java JDK in your local machine. Okay, So if you go, you will download the Java JDK in your local. So I have already downloaded the Java in my local, and I have set it this up. So if you go into the advanced advanced system settings, okay, and if you go into the environment variable, inside the system environment variable, you can see the Java home. Okay, so just set up your Java home path, and then inside a path, just add your Java home pin. Okay, so after this, let's check if everything is set up in our local or not. Okay, so let's say open any bash file, a bash command. Okay, so I have a git bash in my local. So I have opened the Kafka. Okay, now just run the zookeeper server start.bat file and use the config zookeeper. Okay, now let's run it. Okay, yeah. So here your zookeeper is started. Okay, that means